Hey friends, I hope you all had a great Christmas. I keep wanting to say Thanksgiving. Christmas. It was Christmas. Thanksgiving does feel like it was just yesterday, but it was actually just Christmas. We definitely had a good Christmas. It was nice and relaxing. Spent the day at home with the family and watched a movie, ate lots of charcuterie, which was super fun. Everyone loved it. I think it's going to be a new tradition that we do charcuterie Christmas every year, because it was really nice. So that was great. I hope you guys all had a good Christmas as well. I am doing my first after Christmas grocery shop, weekly grocery shop. Of course, we still have lots of leftovers in the fridge from Christmas. So I really don't need a whole lot. I don't think I will go anywhere else besides Safeway. I already did go and pick up our milk. It's back there, but I did just need a few things, mostly fresh fruits and vegetables, and Safeway had a few good deals. I also need to pick up a few things for a dinner we have this week coming up where we're going to do a baked potato bar. So I need some more potatoes and a few topping options. Baked potato bar is fantastic. I mean, we've talked about this before, but any kind of bar is a great option for get-togethers when you have people coming with different dietary needs and preferences. And so something like a baked potato bar is great for pretty much anybody, because if you're dairy-free, you can just leave off the cheese. If you're keto, you can make a plate of toppings and not worry about the potato. There's lots of options for people to build their own according to their needs. And so that is what we're going to do. And I just need a few, I have a lot of stuff already, but I need a few things for that. And then of course the kids need a refill on fresh fruits and vegetables. So we're going to grab that. And I have a $5 off $30 purchase. So definitely going to use that. And they had this thing going for the month of December. If you spent a certain amount, you got bonus points that equaled to like $7 off your next purchase. And so I'm like, I don't know, $5 or $10 away from meeting that threshold. And so I was like, don't want to wait until after January 1st because I do want to get that $7 coupon. So it'll be easy to get that because I was just really close to that that mark. So we're going to get that for next week probably. And as always, today's video is sponsored by Element. Element is my favorite electrolyte supplement. Drink it every single day. And I know that with January here, a lot of people will be either starting keto or low carb for the first time or jumping back on keto or low carb. And I just wanted to remind everybody that when you do change your carbohydrate intake, especially when you're reducing it, you can feel a lot of symptoms that we like to call the keto flu. And it can often be because of electrolyte imbalance. Because carbohydrates actually hold on to water and help your body stay hydrated. And when you cut those out for other reasons, one unintended consequence can be that you can get dehydrated really easily, and dehydration does not feel good. You can get headaches and kind of just feel overall bad. And so one way that you can kind of cut that off is to supplement with electrolytes. And I love Element because they have a science-backed ratio of electrolytes, plus they taste really good. So I don't have to worry about forcing myself to drink something that I don't enjoy. I've done, make your own electrolytes before, and I felt like I was just drinking salt water. I didn't enjoy that, but with all the delicious flavors that Element offers, it's no problem. Remembering, I look forward to taking my electrolytes every day. So it helps me feel my best. I do enjoy it. And Element has a special deal for all of my viewers. If you want to get a free sample pack and just, check it out, see how your body does with it, if it, helps, you can get a free sample pack just by using my link, drinkelement.com/indigo, DRINK. lmnt.com/indigo. You click my link and then you can place an order for anything on the website, either the drink mixes, the chocolate ones, or the fruity ones, or even the sparkling electrolytes in the cans. Those are really good as well. Any order for anything on the website and you will automatically get that free 8-stick sample pack added. So thanks again to Element for sponsoring the video today. Avocados, 79 cents. We'll get some of those. Mangoes are 79 cents also, and they look pretty good, so I'll get a few of those for the kids. They will be so excited. These look like a better deal on the avocados, and they're little. I think I'm gonna put these ones back and just do the bag. Green onions for baked potato bar. Essential, in my opinion. Also gonna cut up some red onions, and I like the bags of red onions because they're small, and I can just cut up one and that's all I need. I don't have half of an onion left over. Also think I'm gonna grab some cilantro. I love garnish. I wanted to get some fresh salsa, and these have a coupon and they look pretty good, so I think I'm gonna get the pico de gallo and the regular. Need more potatoes, of course, for the potato bar. Might just get 2 bags because I know we'll use them. I am also going to grab a ham to cut up for the potato bar. So I don't know why they have to stick the stickers right on top of the ingredients and the nutrition facts. That seems so entirely unhelpful. Let's see, one more flavor. What should I get? I think tangerine. I'm running low on black olives at home, so I'm gonna grab some. I typically don't buy organic olives, but when it's only 50 cents more per can to get organic, usually I do it. So I think I will do that. Medium or large? Medium or large? We'll do medium. I think that might be all that we need. Oh, actually, I think I need some cream. Let me see if they have that organic heavy cream in stock again. It was out of stock before. Cheeses are $1.49, limit 4, so I'm gonna grab 4 of those. What else? Oh, Colby Jack. We'll just do that. Still out of stock. They do have the Organic Valley back there. It's $6.99 for one little pint. Oof. We'll check the reduced stuff real quick just in case, but I don't have a whole lot of hope for it. Still got some pumpkin spice coffee. Those look good, but don't need it. Yep. Nothing we can't live without, as usual. All right, I think we've done it. I'm gonna head to the checkout. Just made it home to find out that the power is out here. We've been having some stormy weather, lots of wind, and the power went out apparently shortly after I left, and supposed to be out for another few hours, they say, is the estimation. So anyways, it's dark in here, but we can go ahead and do the grocery haul. I did want to mention for those that, don't watch my stuff regularly, I try to mention this every once in a while with my weekly grocery hauls, that we buy a lot of meat, especially in bulk. I buy a lot of things in bulk, and you'll see that sometimes in the weekly hauls when things are on sale. I'll stock up on something. But one thing that you don't see in our weekly hauls is especially beef. We buy either a half a cow or a whole cow at a time. We have several chest freezers, and so we keep those stocked full. And so I don't want to give the impression that this is all we spend on groceries in these weekly hauls. We do have, big purchases every once in a while when we buy that whole cow or half a cow. For pork and chicken, typically I will buy those when they're on sale. When I see a really good sale or, something reduced, I'll buy a whole bunch and vacuum seal, things of it and throw those in the freezer. So you'll see that sometimes on my weekly hauls, but recently I've just been really stocked up on all of that kind of thing, so I haven't been buying them. So you won't see a lot of meat, although we did get, you know, the ham and the bacon for the baked potato bar this time, but you don't see a lot of meat in our weekly hauls. And that is not because we don't eat a lot of meat. We actually do eat a lot of meat. That's one of the main things that we eat in this house. But we do find that we get a better product for a better price if we buy in bulk. And I do share about that, like when we do get a cow. So I have some videos I can put up in the cards if you're curious about that. But anyways, enough talk on that front. Let's go over everything I got at Safeway. So I got a bag of red onions. Like I said, I like these bags because they'll have little bitty red onions in there. And usually I'm not wanting a giant red onion at a time. So having them small is nice because I can just cut up one, use it all, not have any leftovers. I just got a few bananas. This is unusual for us. You guys know if you watch us normally, but all of the bananas were pretty ripe. They didn't have any green ones and I didn't want to just have them go bad. So just got one bunch and I'll probably pick up some green bananas at the store when I'm out this week at some point. I got 2 cans of black olives. I got 2 bunches of green onions, a bunch of cilantro. Those are both for the baked potato bar. Same with the olives. I got 4 cucumbers. I got 2 things of salsa. I got the mild, it's kind of like more of a pureed fresh salsa. And then also the mild pico de gallo. Typically I'll get like a medium of the regular salsa, but they did not have any. These were on sale and it was kind of picked over. So just got what they had. I got 6 mangoes. The kids love mangoes and they were on sale for 79 cents. So we went ahead and did that. I got 4 of the cheese slices, 1 double cheddar and 3 Colby Jack. Colby Jack is obviously a favorite around here. I got a big ham. This is to chop up for the baked potato bar, and it's big enough that I'll probably have some left over to put in a soup or something, like a ham and bean soup or ham and potato soup would be really good. They had these cut in half, and I was going to get one of the half hams, but then I noticed that it was $1 cheaper per pound if I got the whole one, and I was like, we'll just go ahead and get the whole one and use it for something else. We don't eat a lot of ham, so that'll be fun to do some kind of a ham something soup. I needed bacon for the baked potato bar, so I grabbed this. It was on sale for I think $3.49 a pound. And bacon is something I stock up on when I find it on a good deal, but I haven't found a really great deal recently and my stock was down. So I just needed to buy some and thankfully it was on sale. I got a bag of avocados. They were on sale for $2.50 per bag, so grabbed that. I got 2 bags of the russet potatoes because we're going to be using up a bunch for the potato bar, and then the kids are always making their air fryer French fries and things, so they will get used up. I grabbed a couple of packs of seltzer water, tangerine, and yuzu citrus. This one is really good. I was like, is it going to be any different from like a lemon or a lime? And it really is. It has a very unique flavor. So I do enjoy that one. And that is everything from Safeway. Of course, we also have our milk that we pick up fresh from the farm every week. We do 3 gallons a week. So we have that. I need to go throw in the fridge. And if the power doesn't come on, you know, in the next few hours, we will probably be pulling out the generator so that we can get the fridges plugged in. I think the freezers will be fine because they're out in the garage and it is not warm, but we definitely don't want to lose all the stuff we have in the fridge. So we will do that if necessary, but hoping that it won't be necessary. All right, so let me grab my receipt. The total that I spent was $83.96. I did get my $5 off savings, and I'll just do a little scan here so you can see any other prices if you were curious about anything. Thanks for going shopping with me this week. Thanks for going shopping with me all of 2024, and I am looking forward to a awesome 2025. It is going to be such a good year, and I'll just see you in the next video.